everyone, it's Amber again at Hilbish Ford. Today we are inside a 2018 Ford Explorer Sport, and I kind of just wanted to show you guys the Apple CarPlay that Ford offers with our Sync 3 systems. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do if you want to use Apple CarPlay is you're going to want to plug up your USB device into your vehicle. So I'm going to shut that. And I am going to connect my personal cell phone. You just see Apple CarPlay. Some sync services will be replaced while connected. CarPlay can be disabled in settings, so we're just going to hit continue. I'm going to hit agree. I'm going to skip that step for now. So you see my personal phone, maps, messages now playing. Ford, this is our Ford Pass Sync, iHeartRadio, and Pandora. And it's even got the little button like some iPhones have. So if you click on Pandora, you'll see, all my radio stations. And we'll click back. And you can actually play your Pandora music from there instead of actually having to go on your phone and click it. It'll show your messages. And one of the really cool features about it is Siri actually works as well. So, it's just like the iPhone. All you have to do is say, "Hey Siri, tell me a joke."
This one's for the kids. What do cats like to eat for breakfast? Mice Krispies. Huh?
Another cool feature on the Apple CarPlay is you can say, "Hey Siri, send Candace Thompson a message."
What do you want to say?
"Hey Candace, I'm running late today, but I should be in soon."
Your message to Candace Thompson says, "Hey Candace, I'm running late today, but I should be in soon." Ready to send it?
Yes.
Done.
And I just did that without taking my hands off the wheel, which is the safest thing you can do.